Yo guys, today I want to show you this awesome trick that allows you to hide messages. So let's get to it. First, we're gonna go to our messages so I can show you that now we don't have this option, but later we're gonna active this option. So just behold, we will click and hold, and as you can see, we don't have this option now, and all we're gonna do is go to our profile and click on the three lines on the top corner, and then go to options or settings, and now we can go to accounts and then scroll down, and here you may have switched to business account and not switch to professional account, but it's the same. So just it's either switch to professional account or business account, and we're gonna just continue, and here just choose anything you want. I will keep it as blogger. Done. It's usually okay. Nice. Creator professional account and skip. Now we've got the business account, and we can go back to messages, and as you see here we have general and request. So they add general your general messages. So if you want to hide any message, you just click on it and move to general, and as you see it's not here. And if you want to go to this message, you go to general and you will find it. You can easily move it back to primary. So thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video.